Lecture 8: Study Help, Explanations, Flashcards, and Research. Today we're turning to a different but equally valuable use: study sport. Studying doesn't just mean memorizing facts, it means understanding information, making connections, and being able to recall it when you need it. Claude can assist in all of these areas, but only if you guide it the right way. In this lecture, you will learn how to use Claude to break down complex topics, generate flashcards, and even help you brainstorm ideas for research projects or presentations. Objectives of the lecture: by the end of this lecture, you will be able to use Claude to explain difficult concepts in plain language, prompt Claude to create useful flashcards or quiz-style questions, explore how Claude can help you get started on research or topic exploration, understand how to cross-check Claude's educational responses for accuracy. Explanations: making tough topics easier. One of Claude's biggest strengths is simplifying complex topics. Whether it's a scientific process, a historical event, or a concept from economics, you can ask Claude to explain it in a way that actually makes sense to you. For example, if you want to learn about concept of opportunity cost, you can just give it a prompt in here as explain the concept of opportunity cost in one paragraph and using a real live example, and press enter. Here you will get a real life example as well and the concept of opportunity cost as well. Or even you can just start a new chat and ask for explain photosynthesis like I am in ninth grade, and press enter. And the Claude will simplify the concept of photosynthesis in a simple words as of the ninth grade student. This tells Claude what to explain and how simply to do it. You can also ask for different formats: bullet points, analogies, short definitions. Another example could be you can just start a new chat and give it a prompt in here as summarize the causes of World War I in 5 bullet points, and press enter. So here are the 5 main causes of World War I in 5 bullet points. Here you have these: first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. Flashcards and self-quizzing. Claude can also help you study by generating flashcards or quiz questions based on class material, readings, or even your notes. For example, you can write a prompt in here as create 5 flashcards based on this paragraph about paragraph from my psychology book, and you just paste the paragraph in here as it is about psychology, and you can just click in here or press enter, and it will start creating the flashcards. Here you have 5 flashcards for this topic that you have already given. Or you can make a quiz by giving it a prompt in here as start a new chat and write in here as make a quiz with 3 multiple choice questions about the human digestive system, and press enter. and it will start creating a quiz with an interactive one, so the user or the person who is creating it can interact with it as well. So here it has produced an interactive human digestive system quiz. You can even add conditions. Make the flashcards simple and beginner friendly. Only include one question per major point. Claude doesn't memorize your textbooks, but it can quickly turn information into quiz-ready material that you can use for review. Research support, brainstorming and structuring ideas. Claude can do your research for you, and it doesn't replace academic sources, but it's great at helping you get started. Here's what you can ask Claude to do. Suggest research topics. For example, to research topics, you can just write the prompt in here as give me 5 possible research questions about social media and health. Press enter. So you will get 5 research topics about social media and mental health. Break down a big topic into subtopics. So for that, you can just write a prompt in here as what are some specific angles I can explore in a paper about climate change. Press enter. Here are different angles or specific angles that you can explore about climate change: economic perspective, technological solutions, social justice and equity, policy and governance, and sector-specific analysis. And the last one is behavioral and psychological factors. So this is how it gives you the topics that you could study about climate change. Help outline a paper or presentation. For that, you can just start a new chat and write a prompt in here as create a basic outline for a class presentation on the benefits of bilingual education, and press enter. So here is the outline of this specific topic: hook, definition, thesis statement, cognitive benefits, academic advantages, social and cultural benefits, economic and career advantages, addressing common concerns, and conclusion as well. So these are the supporting materials needed and presentation tips. So it has given you everything that you need for class presentation. What Claude does here is give you a clearer picture, so you're not starting from a blank page. Just remember, you still need to fact check, cite sources, and verify anything Claude gives you. Use it as a launchpad, not a final product. Tips for better study prompts. Ask for explanations using a reading level. For example, like I'm a high school student. Set a format: paragraph, list, flashcards, or Q&A. Use your own notes or class material as input. Claude works best when it has context. The more context you give, the more customized and useful the result will be.